So children, let's revise. But remember one thing, until and unless I complete saying the last option, kindly don't type the answer. Kindly don't type the answer. Now Trijit, are you guiding me better? Ask MCQ. You are me or all of this. Which is the correct option, Trijit? Guiding, asking, ordering, all of these? Okay, so let's start. There are over dash different Adivashi groups in India. Kindly listen properly the questions and the options because nothing is here prepared. I am looking at the pages from the paras and I am setting the question immediately and asking you instantly. So kindly listen properly. So your options are 600, 700, 500, none of this. Yes, correct. 500. And don't type the option number. Just type the answer. Don't type the option number. And I hope that you will be quite honest and you will not look from the book and answer. Try to remain honest. Next question. A state like Dash is home to more than 60 different tribal groups. Now your options are West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, all of these. Naina, let me complete first. Until and unless I complete saying the last option, you will not type the answer. Yes, the correct answer is Odisha. Next, Adivashi practice range of dash religions. Your options are Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, tribal. Yes, correct answer Roshni, tribal. Adivashis practice the range of tribal religions that are different from Islam, Hinduism and Christianity. Next, the village spirits are often worshipped as specific sacred dash within the village boundary. So the options are plantation, forest, groves. Just see Naina again. Roshni again. I have not completed saying the options. In this way, I will not then carry on with this revision work. I will not carry on with this revision work. If you are typing the answer before I have completed saying the last option, I will stop the class here only. That means the revision class I will stop here. The class will continue. We will do some other things. That means we will discuss some other things, but this revision work I will not carry on. Next. In India, we usually dash Adivashi communities in particular ways. So your options are represent, present, show, showcase. Represent, present, show, showcase. Sneha, shoecase. What is that? Shoecase? Yes, the correct answer is showcase. When you are getting the word which is exactly there in your book, you will click that word only. But if you understand that the synonyms are given and at the end all of this option is there, you will click to all of this. If you find that the synonyms are given of that word. Nikita, what for this line is? Sir, it was spelling mistake. Sorry, sir. Sneha. Actually, for typing fast, it has happened. Shoecase. New word I have come to know from you today. Thank you. Okay, next. India's tea industry became possible with the labor in dash. West Bengal, Manipur, Mizoram, none of these. Which is the correct option here? Don't look from the book and answer, because in that case it is of no use. No, children, the answer is wrong. The answer will be Assam. It is written here. India's tea industry became possible with their labor in Assam. It is written Assam here in your book, page number 85. From the 1830s onwards, Adivashis from Jharkhand and adjoining areas moved in very large numbers to various plantations in India and the world, Mauritius, the Caribbean, and even Australia. India's tea industry became possible with their labor in Assam. Okay, kindly just read the question, try to remember the correct option, then only click. Next, Dash is the sacred mountain of the Adivasi community in this Dhonangiri Cons. Oh, sorry. Dash is the sacred mountain of the Adivasi community in Kalahandi district in Odisha. Listen to the names properly. Okay. Nityamgiri, Nityamgiri, Niragiri, Niramgiri, none of this. Rishabh Konar has joined, might be for the first time. This shows that only Sneha and Annesha, they have heard, and Chandranath and Shashikant, they have heard properly the options, and Ritesh. That's why they have typed the correct answer. It is none of these, because this Niyamgiri name I have not taken. I have not taken this name Niyamgiri. I have said Nityamgiri, Niragiri, Niramgiri, none of this. Next, Dash results in having a low social status. Dash results in having a low social status. Options are poverty, then what to say, public facilities, marginalization, and none of this. I can hear the voices. Whose microphone is not in mute mode? Kindly put it in mute mode immediately. Yes, Trijit, I have also heard the voices. That's why I'm saying that somebody's microphone is not in mute mode. Immediately put it in mute mode. Ja, whatever I have said, I have forgotten. Just let me remember. Poverty, ignorance. Yes. Poverty, ignorance, marginalization, all of these. Don't check from the book and type kindly. It will be in that case of no use. You will be cheating yourself. No, 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 Audrey, Trijit, wrong. The answer is marginalization. Marginalization results in having a low social status and not having equal access to education and other resources. You might say, sir, you have said only up to this much that dash results in having a low social status. So if I say poverty, my answer is not wrong. Yes, definitely in that case your answer is not wrong. But all of these, how can you click? Because they are ignorance. The second option was ignorance. So poverty, ignorance, marginalization, and all of this. So instead of ignorance, if you would have found over there religion or something else might be which was quite near or which was equal to the answer, at that time you could have clicked for that all of this, that poverty results in having a so low social status. Yes, it is correct. Then lack of knowledge or lack of not knowledge, lack of education. Lack of education also results in having a low social status, and marginalization is also results in having low social status. In that case, you would have clicked for that all of these. But here the second option was ignorance. What is ignorance? Ignorance means when I don't know something, when I don't give any importance to something. From that means ignorance or to ignore. No. So it is not matching with this marginalization or poverty. And in the book, when we have already studied that this line is there, that marginalization results in having a low social status, then definitely we will click to that. Got the point? Audrey, Vendrila, and those who have clicked for that, all of these. Got it, children? Did you understand? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. You have to check properly, because you have also come to know in your previous exams that other than the correct option, rest three options will be very near to the correct. Other than the correct option, rest three options will be very near to the correct. And there you have to show your ability. There you have to show that how much you have really read the chapter. Because if you have read the chapter properly with lots of attention, you will be definitely be able to click the correct answer. Otherwise, you will move around in this manner. Ignorance cannot be within that one of the reasons for this low social status. Ignorance. Ignorance means what ignorance? Who is ignoring me, or what I am ignoring? It is not mentioned clearly, no. That's why it cannot be the answer. If it had been written over there that there's lack of education, there then the answer would have been all of this, because poverty, it results in having a low social status. Then lack of education, it results in having a low social status, and marginalization already we have studied. So in that case, we could have clicked for that marginalization, sorry, all of this. But here ignorance is there, which cannot be the part of the answer. And moreover, we have come to know that in the book it is written marginalization. So we will click to marginalization. These are all the different examples. Don't think that these are the questions only for your upcoming term 2 examination. These are some examples. Right now, whichever or whatever is coming in my mind, I am asking you. It cannot be, it can be true that even what I am asking now in your class, these things will not match with what I have asked in class 8 Oak. Next, a dash is an area or locality that is populated largely by members of a particular community. So your options are slum, then apartment, ghetto, all of this. Not ghetto. What is ghetto? Dash. A dash is an area. or locality that is populated largely by members of a particular community. Slum, then apartment, I said apartment, then what I have said I forgot. Yes, ghetto, ghetto, and at the end I have said all of this. Yes, the correct answer is ghetto. It is written in the glossary. A ghetto is an area or locality that is populated largely by members of a particular community. How can you write slum? In a slum, how can you get particular community? In an apartment, how can you get particular community? Okay, then come to these public facilities. It is just like a story and you have to read with lots of attention, otherwise you can face the problems. The first question from this chapter I am asking is that Mr. Ram Gopal live in Dash Nagar in Chennai. Dash Nagar in Chennai. Options are Annapurna, Aniket, Anna, Anurup. Yes, the correct answer is Anna. Mr. Ram Gopal live in Anna Nagar in Chennai. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article Dash 25, 26, 21, 22. Roshni, 22? No, it's 21. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 21. Next. In the dash, the government also announces the various ways in which it plans to meet these expenses. So the options are budget, meeting, then publication, all of these. I told you, no, it's quite problematic to repeat the question and the options specially. Because whatever is coming in my mind, I am saying. Yes, the correct answer is budget. In the budget, the government also announces the various ways in which it plans to meet these expenses. Next. What can be the next question? Okay. This question. Primary requirements of food, water, shelter, sanitation, healthcare, and education is known as basic needs, basic problems, basic queries, none of these. Again, somebody's microphone is not in mute mode. Yes, Vendrila, correct answer, basic needs. Now let me come to this chapter of Shanti. Instead of remembering the chapter by its name, it's easy to remember it by the name of Shanti. Om Shanti. Okay. When a friend or relative leaves outside the district, the time, place of arrest and venue of custody must be notified by police within dash to dash hours after arrest. So, options are 8 to 13, 9 to 12, 8 to 12, none of this. Chandranath, what are all those things which you have typed, which you have posted? P basic needs, what is that? Chandranath? Yes, 8 to 12 hours after arrest. Next. A dash offense is regarded as a public wrong, civic, then criminal, then society, all of this. Yes, correct answer, Vendrila. A criminal offense is regarded as a public wrong. Next. The act of being kept in illegal custody by the police is known as prevention, ignorance, detention, none of these. What is the answer? 10 people are typing. Yes, correct answer is detention. So children, here we complete our revision class. Okay.